Okay, so here are your sources for the federal Reconstruction lesson. As you can see, just like yesterday's lesson, I've given you some guiding questions up at the top in order to help you out as you go. So, to go over some of those questions, the first two, you should already have an idea about how to answer them. It asks what the presidential plan is and what the congressional plan was. As I'd said, when I gave you that context video earlier in the slides, I talked about those. You should already be thinking about what those two things are. The next two questions go into the specifics about what is different between the plans, and then you need to make an inference as to why those plans would be different. So, as we look ahead to our sources, this should look very similar once again. We try to keep it the same way so that you get into the habit and you know what to do as soon as you open this up. So, source A, you can see very small reading. It gives you the sourcing info. Once again, be able to identify what side of the argument they're going to be on based on the sourcing information. And then it gives you a question to help your thinking. As you move forward, same exact thing you're going to see. Sourcing info, reading information, some questions in order to help you out. Now, the biggest thing that will help you going through this is as you're making your annotations, identify if they are going to be on the presidential side or the congressional side, because that is going to make it very clear about what the two sides want and why they're different. Just like the other stuff, as you can see, we have the reading, questions. As we move forward down close to the exit ticket, but not quite, we can see that there are two columns in order for you to organize your thoughts. Complete sentences not required at all. Make whatever notes you need to so that you can be successful in the exit ticket. And then just like everything else, we can see on the bottom, we have our exit ticket with our CHQ. So good luck. You got this.